Welcome to Bike Zone. Today we're exploring one of the boldest concepts in touring history, the 2026 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle camper, a machine that blends luxury touring, electric power, and compact camping into one futuristic ride. What is the Goldwing electric trike camper? This 2026 concept reimagines the legendary Goldwing as an all-electric, three-wheel touring platform with an integrated camper module. Designed for long-distance comfort and off-grid freedom, it targets riders who want motorcycle excitement without sacrificing stability or living space. Electric powertrain and performance. At its core is a high-torque electric motor delivering instant acceleration and ultra-smooth cruising. Honda is expected to pair it with a large-capacity solid-state battery, offering an estimated 350 to 400 km touring range. Fast charging support and regenerative braking make long journeys practical and efficient. Three-wheel stability and ride comfort. The tricycle layout adds exceptional balance at low speeds, especially when fully loaded. Advanced traction control, adaptive suspension, and electronic stability systems ensure confident handling on highways, mountain roads, and campsite approaches. Integrated camper design. The rear camper unit is the star feature. It includes a fold-out sleeping space, compact storage, LED lighting, climate control, and external power outlets. Lightweight materials keep weight low while maintaining durability for extended tours. Luxury touring technology. Inside the cockpit, expect Honda Goldwing level refinement, a wide digital display, navigation with EV route planning, wireless connectivity, premium audio, heated seating, and advanced rider assist features like adaptive cruise control and collision warning. Who is it for? This electric trike camper is built for long-distance explorers, solo adventurers, and couples seeking comfort, sustainability, and independence.